Face Dance Photo Animator. Hello everyone, I'm here to overview the Face Dance Photo Animator app. So first of all, you have to go to your Play Store and search for Face Dance Photo Animator app. So here you can see that app and you have to install it on your device. So if you have already installed it in your device, then you have to seek for any update available. After that, go for open. So here you can see the welcome to Face Dance. Go for let's start, and you have to take a selfie and make it sing. Go for next, and you also can animate your photo of your feed. So to unlock the Face Dance Pro, you have 2.99 per week and you can cancel anytime. And when you purchase the weekly, you can auto renewal it. So if you purchase it for lifetime, it will be for $70.06. If you want to purchase the lifetime access, then you have to unlock that, and you have to go for your home page. Then you have to go for your face gallery, and here you can go for the demo option of them. Go for edit. You can duet the trending video that you like, and you have to edit your photo here. So to make it dance, you have to watch it. So here you can save and share your photo. Also, you can change the photo from here, and there is also the recommended video. So that's the process of how you can use the Face Dance Photo Animator app. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.